Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. This is only the first step. I'm going to be making more episodes in the future, and before we start, please subscribe. It means a lot, uh, and only takes a second of your time. So please, it helps out a lot, and let's get right into the video. So I'm going to teach you the basics for Rubik's Cube before we start. Um, Six sides, obviously, six different colors. There are three types of pieces. This is the centerpiece. It's in the middle of every side. This is an edge piece. It consists of two colors, as you can see, and it's between two centerpieces, like this. And this is a corner piece. As you can see, it consists of three colors and is between three edge pieces. Now let me just put this back in. Okay, so let's get started. Now I'm gonna teach you the basic moves and you'll figure what that means in a moment. So for right we say R, like this. Um, this is clockwise and this is counterclockwise. Now if we move it clockwise we say R for right, and counterclockwise it's R prime because it's counterclockwise, and this one is L obviously for left. That's L prime because it's counterclockwise. This is clockwise and it's L. This is U for up and U prime. D prime for down and D. F and F prime for front and D prime and D for back. Now that is all the basic moves. Now let's scramble this up. Okay, that should be enough to scramble. Now for the first step we want to make the white cross, and no, that does not just mean we're gonna as you can see, this may look like a white cross, but it's not, because these two are aligned with their centers, these two edge pieces, but these two need to swap places. So that's not a white cross. This is a white cross. Now to make this, I'm going to show you an easier trick. You need to get all these white edge pieces on the yellow center. It sort of makes a daisy, but this method is called daisy, by the way, because it's a daisy, like white around it and then yellow in the middle. But anyways, this is daisy. Now we're gonna want these colors to match. They can be in any order. Like all of them don't need to match, but when one of them matches, for example, currently only this one's matching, so I'm gonna do F2. F2 basically means the front layer twice in any direction, and this one, as you can see, is aligned with the center. So what you want to do is, now you've done the orange center, so you want to move on to a blue or green or red, your choice. I'm going to do blue. So now you turn it until you find the blue edge piece. Here it is, and F2, and this is aligned. Now I'm going to move to red, and there, red, F2, and it's aligned, and it's already matched up, so F2, And now, as you can see, we have made a white cross. Now, if you're a beginner, then you should probably just learn one step at a time. And okay, this is only the first episode. I'm gonna be making more in the future, and that's it. In the second video, we're gonna be learning how to get these four corner pieces in place. Now, that isn't hard. We just need to do this. As you can see, we have made little upside down T's on all sides, and we have completely solved the first layer. I'm gonna be showing you how to do this in the next video. So bye guys.